In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trusted sender in Gmail. Gmail doesn't have a single trusted sender button, but you can get the same result in two ways: by creating a filter that makes sure messages from a specific sender never land in spam, or by adding that sender to your contacts. The filter method is the most reliable, so that's what we'll set up together now. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Gmail account. We'll work from the desktop interface because it gives you full access to Gmail's filter tools. Next, let's open Settings. Look to the top right for the gear icon, click it, and then choose See All Settings. This expands the full settings page where all the advanced options live. Along the top, select the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where you can control what Gmail does with messages as they arrive. Scroll down and click Create a new filter. A small window will appear with fields you can use to define what you want Gmail to look for. In the From field, type the sender's full email address. This tells Gmail exactly which emails to treat as trusted. If you want to trust an entire company or organization, you can type just the domain instead. That way, every message from that domain will be included under your rule. Click Create Filter to move to the Actions screen. Here's the most important part. Check the box that says Never send it to spam. With this selected, Gmail will keep messages from that sender in your inbox rather than flagging or hiding them. You can also make these messages easier to spot. If you like, check Always mark it as important, or add a star so they stand out in your inbox. These are optional, but they help you find critical messages faster, especially if you receive a lot of email. When you're happy with your choices, click Create Filter again to save everything. You'll see your new filter listed on the Filters and Blocked Addresses page, and it will apply to future emails that match your criteria. Keep in mind, filters affect new incoming messages. Emails already sitting in spam won't be moved automatically. That's it. You've effectively created a trusted sender setup in Gmail. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this same tab to edit or delete the filter. And if you want an extra layer of assurance, adding the sender to your contacts can help Google recognize them as legitimate without changing anything else. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.